have seen. But yeah, it was about 5 or 6 days after we had to put Mabel down. Maui got hit by, well, really all of Hawaii did, but us here on Maui got hit by a pretty gnarly storm, and luckily our animals were all right, but we did have a huge branch fall off a tree, land on our milking area, crush our milking area. So for a while we were just down to one stanchion, and it's just another reminder of how not in control you are of so many things when you're a farmer. Stuff just happens like that, and then you're just left with having to deal with it. And we were way more fortunate than a lot of people that we know. I mean, there was some severe flooding on the south side. We had good friends that their whole house got flooded, and we're way more fortunate than so many. Timing was brutal, just to kind of start coming out of the haze of having to lose Mabel and kind of getting our bearings again, and then come in early that morning, no power, had to bring the generator to run the milking machine, and we had electrical lines down all over the farm, cable lines down, so it was a lot to deal with. But like we do, our team, we all rallied and everybody stepped up and took care of business, and we got it back up and running.